Welcome to Vehicles Bro. Today, we will talk about compliance bushings Honda Pilot. This video will explain what compliance bushings are, where are compliance bushings located, and how to tell if they need to be replaced. Let's see. Number 1. What is compliance bushings? The compliance bushing is a key component in the suspension of a Honda Pilot car. Its purpose is to provide a cushion between the chassis and suspension components, absorbing any shocks or vibrations transmitted through the car. This helps improve ride quality, comfort, and levels inside the cabin. Number 2. Where are compliance bushings located? Honda Pilot cars have compliance bushings in several places, including suspension and chassis. These bushings help to absorb vibrations and shocks, providing a smoother ride. And number 3. How do you replace compliance bushings Honda Pilot? There are some key factors to consider if you choose to substitute your compliance bushings. First, you will need a socket set, a ratchet, and various sizes of wrenches. Second, you must ensure that you give the included directions that come with the equipment your full attention. Third, make sure to stiffen the bolts with the right force exerted. And fourth, ensure you test drive the car after the installation is complete. Even though swapping out compliance bushings is a simple job, if you have the appropriate equipment and comply with the instructions. If you are unsure about your ability to complete the task on your own, it is advisable to delegate it to an expert. We hope this video will work for you. Thanks for watching our video.